If you're struggling to monetize your channel because you haven't reached the 4,000 hours or the 1,000 subscribers, here's the laziest, easy way to start making commissions and money on your YouTube channel. Let me explain. You've got a YouTube channel that doesn't have ads, but below your video is a description box where you can put an affiliate link. An example is one of my videos. If you scroll down below it in the description box, show more, see these links. These are to Amazon affiliate. If I click on that, it'll pop up to a link credited to my account. And if someone makes a purchase of that $3.99, I make a small commission. You need 500 subscribers to use the Amazon affiliate, but if you don't have that, I'm gonna show you another way where you don't need any subscribers. Go to clickbank.com, click start here, sign up. Yes, you wanna learn more, go through this process, enter your email, sign up now. This is the back office. We'll go over a product that I've used as an example, Thumbnail Blaster. Over on the side, it'll show you the reoccurring billing, the gravity, and a note on gravity. If you click on sort, you want to search by gravity. That's what is selling right now in volume. So bigger gravity, better. To promote, click promote, go to create hop link. It'll give you a custom link that's accredited toward you. Copy it. Now go to the site bit.ly. You want to shorten it, enter it in here, click shorten. Now copy this link here. We're going to need that later. Now we're going to find a video. Go to content, search through a video that you want to monetize. We'll do this short, click edit. Let me give you this quick tip. Some things you have to know is that you have to disclose that you're using an affiliate link. All you got to do is in the description and in your video, mention that you do make a small commission from that. For instance, there are links in the description of this that I make a tiny commission from if you decide to purchase through those links. What I said there is enough to cover you, and write that above where your affiliate links are in the description, just like you'll see down below this video. You make a lot of money doing this. If you have a little bit of subscribers and a lot of traffic, it's gonna be hard. If you wanna grow it, you need to use paid advertisement, which you have to build a website, so do this. You wanna create a single page website that captures emails, so you can build a list to market to people over time. If you want to take things to the next level where you need a website, go to kevinjpino.com or click the link in the description below. They'll hook you up with a free website there. And if you want, leave a super comment. I'll give you a shout out in the community section of my channel. My last recommendation would be to check out this video right here. It's a killer one.